Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Just before I start the video, I just wanted to show off these cool hyper faults that we did in the previous video. So obviously you can see there that you got the colour change in effect. Honestly, these chargers are insane. You got the multicoloured effect. Well, it's actually called party mode, which is cool. And you got other themes as well. But enough of that, back to the video. In today's video, it is a 2 Zappi install that we did in Marlow. If you recognise the house, it's actually the install that we did for the solar and soon to be Powerwall as well. So the customer decided to have 2 Zappis. Totally understand why, as he's going to be going electric soon. He currently has a PHEV Volvo, which is actually a cool car. But yeah, please enjoy the video, and throughout the video again I'll point out things that we do. So yeah, enjoy.
Of the old songs. For old time's sake. As time goes by.
If you're anything like me and you hate cables on the show, honestly, we went in on this one. So literally the cables are hidden behind the sides of the garage, on the top where the brick is. So trying to get your hands around there and feeding it through was an absolute pain, but honestly it looks the part.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
The old songs.
So here there's a method that you can do with silicone and brick dust. So you silicone the hole and then you actually dab a little, your thumb or your finger, whatever you prefer. Obviously I'm making a mess there, but you can actually print on the brick dust and then it basically looks like you haven't even drilled the hole. I forgot to get a quick snippet of it after, but I will make sure that I do in the future videos. So that little device there, the little box, is what's known as the hub. So the hub controls your app, so to speak. So all the data goes to the hub and then feeds back to your app. You can see then I was actually pairing it to the Zappi, which I will do again with the Eddy. So this little device is the relay sensor. So this provides the temperature of the water on your screen, that Eddy screen there, and on your phone. It's just a handy when you know, say you're on your way back home and you know you're producing solar, you can just boost the water and not have to pull from the grid basically. So see there, you can see that there's some excess solar, and 0.3 of the excess solar is going into the immersion. I do apologise for cutting the video so short. I ran out of storage, but we are in the process of buying a camera to get better content, and yeah. But watch the video to the trailer that we did on the wedding, But please like and subscribe, and yeah, enjoy. Peace.